Greetings from the Long Island Sound. And here's a look, a summer look of Cedar Beach. And this beach comes with very high recommendations from my sister Terry, who is lounging herself on the beaches. We are arriving for an August summer sunset. And this she calls her favorite beach. Sometimes she'll even come twice in one day. One of the things I really liked about arriving here is, you see this crowd? They were showing up with their chairs around 6 p.m. People will come just for the sunset. People will swim earlier in the day, but there is indeed a sunset crowd at Cedar Beach. And here is the woman who recommended our visit here today. Hello, Terry.
Hi, I'm so glad you could join us.
Pleasure to see you at Cedar Beach.
Welcome to Cedar Beach. We have quite a few sailboats out tonight. It's a nice wind, a nice breeze, and it's going to be a gorgeous sunset. They predicted cloudy, but there's not a cloud in the sky. It's going to be really spectacular.
And we came anyway because we figured if there were clouds, they'd have that orange glow. But you come here sometimes twice in one day?
Oh yeah, I'll come in the morning. I'll come in the morning. I'll do a swim. I'll see the sunrise. Well, I'll see the sunrise first, and after sunrise, I'll do a swim. And then I'll come back in the evening around, say, 6:30, 7 for another swim and to see the sunset. They're both gorgeous here.
What is so special about Cedar Beach? You actually said more than one time that this is your absolute favorite beach. Here it is again, and we will turn to Terry for the answer. What makes Cedar Beach your favorite beach?
I like a little bit of activity at the beach. So you've got the boats are coming in and out, so you can watch them coming in and out of Mount Sinai Harbor. And then you have people fishing off the rocks. You can watch those. You have a lot of families doing family things, gatherings. There is some live music today.
Yeah.
Somewhere over there's a live band playing. And it's just, and there's 3 separate beaches to go to. So, there's the first beach you arrive at, then there's a West Beach, and then there's another one at the end where the fishing pier is. So you have variety, and it's just very peaceful.
Now let's show your setup here. You are part of the sunset crowd. Now I noticed that for the first time when walking up, there's a whole crowd that comes to Cedar Beach just for the sunset.
Yes, there's a crowd that comes for sunset. Usually people bring their takeout food. People bring pizza. We had quesadilla. Most people have a little something to eat. Some people bring tables. One family's over there with a tree.
They brought their own tree, and they have a hibiscus tree. That is correct. Now, of the 118 miles that make up Long Island, what part of Long Island are we at right now?
We're at Mount Sinai Harbor. So this is Long Island Sound. Cedar Beach is listed as being in Miller Place, and we're on the North Shore. We're not quite the North Fork because we haven't forked off yet, but we are on the North Shore of Long Island.
And what a pleasure it is to be here. Thank you for your time and that recommendation. Now this is how I'm going to enjoy Cedar Beach. Feet up on the rock and enjoying some summer sunset with Terry. Till next time, from ever beautiful, I love